Today, we're diving into OBS Studio, one of the most popular tools for recording and streaming. Whether you're new to this or just looking for a refresher, I've got you covered. Before we get started, you can support me through Buy Me a Coffee service. The link to my Buy Me a Coffee profile is in the description below this video. First up, let's install OBS Studio from the Microsoft Store. This is a straightforward method built right into Windows. Open the Microsoft Store from your Start menu. In the search bar, type OBS Studio and hit Enter. You should see OBS Studio listed in the search results. I already have OBS Studio installed on my computer, so I will explain everything you need to do to download and install it. Click on OBS Studio, then where my cursor is located, click the Get or Install button. Windows will handle the download and installation automatically. Once it's done, you can find OBS Studio in your Start menu or on your desktop. Now, if you prefer to install OBS Studio without using the Microsoft Store, here's how you can do it by downloading it directly from the OBS website. Go to the official OBS Studio website at obsproject.com and choose the Windows version. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file, which should be an .exe file, and double-click it to start the installation. As I mentioned earlier, I already have OBS Studio installed on my computer, so I will explain how to install it. When the installation window opens, click Next to start the installation process. Next, accept the license agreement and click Next to continue. Choose the installation location, then click Install to proceed. The installer will handle the rest, and once it's done, OBS Studio will launch automatically, or you can launch it from your desktop. Let's dive into the settings manually for more control. Go to Settings by clicking the button in the bottom right corner. You'll see several categories. Let's start with Output. Adjust the bitrate, recording format, and encoder based on your needs. Next, head to the Video section. Here, you can set your resolution and frame rate. For most recordings and streams, 1920 by 1080 resolution and 30 or 60 FPS work well. In the Audio section, configure your microphone and other audio devices. Now it's time to add sources and scenes. Start by creating a new scene. Click the plus button under the Scenes box. Next, add sources to your scene. These can include screen capture, webcam, images, and more. With everything set up, you're ready to start recording or streaming. To record, click the Start Recording button at the bottom of the screen. I'm already recording a video, so here I have the button to stop recording. But for you, it will be a Start Recording button. To stream, click Start Streaming. And that's a wrap. You now know how to download, install, configure, and use OBS Studio for recording and streaming. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.